Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Delta Force not launching. So let's start. Now for the first method, go open the Steam launcher. After that, go top left corner, select the logo. After that, go select check for Steam client updates. Just wait for the verification and make sure you download the latest one. After that, select close. Now go to library and then go to collections. Choose Delta Force and then go to the right and select the gear icon. After that, click on properties. Now here when this pop up, go to launch options and type in -dx11. After that, go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. This way any missing file will be recovered safely. Just wait for the process. After that, go to the Steam logo once again and then go to settings. This tab will pop up. Go to downloads and select clear cache. After that, select confirm. Lastly, go to the Windows search bar and search for NVIDIA app. Now NVIDIA will open, so go to the left menu and select drivers and click on install or download wherever you have the latest driver installed in your PC. Select Express installation if you want a faster download. After that, select continue. For the last method, go to the Windows icon. After that, make sure to restart your computer. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.